Good day, students. Today we are considering a problem that is being solved under circle theorem. And this type of question that we have on the board, we have a quadrilateral that is being placed in a circle. Sometimes students get confused to know whether a quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral or not. When a quadrilateral is a specific type of quadrilateral, that's when it is cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral is a type of specific quadrilateral that can be inscribed in a circle. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, all the four vertices touches the circumference of a circle. Is that okay? And it's a type of specific quadrilateral in which the opposite angles of the quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles of the quadrilateral is always equals to 180 degrees. And all cyclic quadrilateral are quadrilateral, but not all quadrilateral are cyclic quadrilateral. On the board, we are having a quadrilateral that is being placed in a position in which all the vertices does not touch the circumference of the circle. You can see R, S, T is touching the circumference of the circle, but the fourth vertex, the fourth edge, you can see the four edges, the 1, 2, 3 of the four edges are touching the circumference of the circle, but the fourth edge is touching the center of the circle. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral but not a cyclic quadrilateral. In this type of question, the sum of the opposite angles is not equal to 180 degrees because it's not a cyclic quadrilateral. It's just ordinary quadrilateral. You can say the sum of the angles in the quadrilateral here is equals to 360 degrees. And when you see a question like this, you can see that this angle, outside angle, is 260 degrees. Is a reflex angle because the angle falls between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Okay, now let's solve the problem. We have to look for x. In the diagram below, find the size of the angle marked x having center O. Take note. Okay, now let's get this angle. This is when you remove 260 degrees from 360 to know the angle. 360 degrees minus 260 degrees, we are having 100 degrees. And in acute angle, the angle lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Is that okay? And in the other angle between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, we have obtuse angle. That means that this is obtuse angle. You can see it because we have it as 100 degrees. If the angle lies between 0 to 90 degrees, it will be acute angle. But in this case, it lies between 90, this is 100 in between. That's an obtuse angle. Why this angle 260 degrees lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees? That means it's a reflex angle. Okay, now let's say you can say reflex angle ROT equals 260 degree. Okay, this is obtuse angle ROT equals 100 degree. Okay, now we're looking for x, and don't forget that this angle, let me say you have something like this at this point. When you get this angle, which is 100 degree, divided by 2 will give us this angle at the center equals to 2 times angle at the circumference, while the reflex angle here, when you divide it, will give us this side. The reflex angle, when you divide it by 2, will give us this angle at the circumference. But this angle in between, which is obtuse angle 110 degree, when you divide it by 2 to give us the one at the circumference when you divide it by 2. Now to get how do you get this? How do you get 100 degree? Let's say angle at a point has 3 angle obtuse angle ROT equals 360 degree minus 260 degree, which is 100 degree. What's the reason? Angles at a point is equal to 360 degree. You have gotten this one. To get angle RST equals 260 degree divided by 2. 260 degree divided by 2. This angle, when divided by 2, give us this. Okay, which is 130 degree. What's the reason? Angle at the center equals to 2 times angles at the circumference. Okay, this angle RST is 130 degree. Now to get this x, you cannot say 80 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree, because it's not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, because the fourth edge is not touching the circumference. On normal circumstance, when you are solving cyclic quadrilateral, when you say cyclic quadrilateral, the 4 edges will touch the circumference of the circle. Okay, but this one is touching the center, the fourth one is touching the center of the circle, and for that reason, opposite angles are not equal to 180 degree. Now you cannot say angle ORS, referring to this angle at the center, angle ORS plus angle RST plus angle STO plus angle ROT equals to 360 degree. What is it? Sum of angles in a quadrilateral. Okay, you now have it ORS, which is 80 degree, plus RST 130 degree, plus STO, which is X degree, plus ROT, where it's 100 degree, equals to 360 degree. Let's add them together. We're having 100 plus 130, that's 230. 230 degree plus 80 degree, that's 310 degree. That's 310 degree plus X degree equals to 360 degree. Now X degree equals, collect the like terms, 360 degree minus 310 degree, which is 50 degree. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.